Welcome friends to this lecture on how to calculate the concentration of a quantitative ELISA using Excel. Now before we understand that, we need to know a basic concept about trend lines and the graph. Normally when we have two values to compare, we draw an XY scatter, then we pick up it draws the points on the graph. From there we can ask Excel to insert a trend line and get the equation of the trend line. Usually the equation is in the form of y equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, or depending upon whatever the kind of equation the Excel sheet throws. But all this is expressed as y equal to something in terms of x. So when we want to calculate the value of a concentration of a quantitative ELISA in Excel, we want the concentration. So it makes sense that we plot the concentration in the second column, which will be the y column, and we plot the OD in the first column, which is the x column. So we have the ODs over here and we have the concentration of the standards over here. Based on this, we can select the data and draw an XY scatter. After we draw the XY scatter, we use the option of choosing to add a trend line. When we use that option, Excel throws us a lot of options for drawing the kind of a trend line. Default would be a linear. You could use an exponential, logarithmic, polynomial, or whatever it is. Usually polynomial is a good choice, and in the order you can add order 2, 3, 4 depending upon how the graph is formed and how well the graph touches all the points of your standards. Once you've got that particular point, then use the option in Excel for inserting a trend line and you get the equation of the trend line. Now here you can see this y equal to something in terms of x squared, something in terms of x, and something as a constant. Now the next job for us is to write that same formula in this Excel sheet. So here this is, I'm using x squared and I'm using a calculation that this is where I'm going to fill the OD, and the value of x square equals 3.3759 into the OD. So this is 3.3759 into B13, which is this square, this is this, and the whole square of that. So that is how I get the value for x square. Similarly, I can use a formula for writing for x, and I put the value of the constant of the standard over here. The standard over here is 0.0879. It has rounded to 2 decimals as 0.09. Add up all these values and you get the concentration for the particular OD you've fed inside. In this case, I'm talking about OD of 0.9. We can understand that 0.9 is between 0.45 and 0.99. And if you look at this graph, 0.9 is somewhere over here, which would come to a range somewhere between 3 and 3.5. And the figure I'm getting is 3.36, which is quite close to what we were expecting. So this is how you can draw an XY scatter, introduce a trend line, choose an appropriate equation, be it linear, be it exponential, be it polynomial, that will define a graph which touches all the points the best desired way. Find the trend line equation, substitute the equation into a formula, keep feeding the values of the OD, and derive the concentration of the analyte you want. No need to plot graphs and check for the x-intercept. Thank you.